Hi viewers, welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. Today, in this short video, you will see how you can reissue your vehicle's car number plate due to various reasons. اعادة اصدار لوحة المركبات من ابشر. For example, your car number plate has different size placement and you want to change the size of the car plate. Then this is the video for you. مثلا بدل مقاس. If you want to add a logo on your number plate, then this is the video for you. مثلا أبغى إضافي أشعار. If your car vehicle number plate has been damaged due to various reasons, talef. If your car number plate has been lost or stolen, fukdan, then this is the video for you. This is the vehicle registration you can download from Tawakkalna mobile application. And here you can see the ID number, Ikama number, and the car serial number, sequence number, which is required actually in this process. And this is the resident ID Ikama, how it looks like. You can download it from the same Tawakkalna mobile application. Under the picture, you can see the digits, the letters starting from 2, 3, or any number. So this format you can understand. Otherwise, on the top, it's written in Arabic format. From the bottom on the second page of this resident ID, you can see the ID number starting from normal understanding non-Arabic format. These are the different types of vehicle number plates being used in the country, just to show you. And you have to open the web browser either from mobile or laptop or PC. You have to open google.com and search for your desired bank login. Don't use bank's mobile application due to limitations. Then, after successful logging into your Saudi Arabian bank account, you have to find Sadat payments and government payments, and then you have to expand the option of motor vehicle or vehicles. Al Madfuat al Hakumiya al Murakkabat. Then you have to find this option reissue license plate, and in your banking application it could be different reissue car plate. Just ignore this one plate only because this is a translation issue, I believe so, in the SAB bank. It means actually one plate pair, not only one plate. So you have to bring your mouse on the right side of that option. You will see the payment option. المدفوعة الحكومية المركبات إعادة أصدار لوحة المركبات ادفع. After clicking on payment, you will see this option. You have to enter the owner's ID number, the IKAMA number, and the vehicle's sequence number, and the reason damaged or lost. And you want to uh, get the number plate with logo or without logo. And you can pay this amount for your friend as well. It is not required that the owner of the car must log in from his her bank account. It's not necessary. The government services just want to see that this vehicle sequence number has paid the desired amount. That's it. And you will see the payment fee is 100 riyals. Let's go back to the previous option again and let's choose the last option. Issue the vehicle license plate with logo. Then click continue. Now it's showing you 800 riyals. You have to click continue and successful made the payment. معك أشعار 800 ريال بدون شعار 100 ريال. Now you have to come to the web browser again, either from your mobile or laptop or PC, but don't use Absher mobile application. In the search, you have to write Absher login and then click on search. You have to click on very first link, Absher, and then you have to log in. If you don't have account, you can create new one. If you have forgotten password, you can use forgot password. And then now you have to enter your login details. You have to provide the verification code received on your registered mobile number, and then you have to choose electronic services, then vehicles, al khidmat al electronia, obad al murakkabat. Now you have to select vehicle management, idarat al murakkabat. Then you have to now click on your car showing in the Absher. Now these are the options you have to choose: vehicle plates replacement, istabdal lohat al murakkaba. So here are the reasons why you want to request a new number plate. Just understand one thing important. There are two options, but they are not similar. Today, in this video, I will show you vehicle plates replacement. The last option is vehicle plates exchange. That is totally different. I will make another video on that and will provide the link in the description or in the comment box. So right now we are going to use vehicle plates replacement. So we have to choose vehicle plates replacement, and then at the bottom of the next page, new request, talab jadid. You have to choose the request type, damaged or lost or change size, for which you have paid the fee earlier, and then you have to choose the number of plates. You must choose two because you have paid earlier for two plates. So you can choose two different plate sizes, and they could be same, they could be different. It's no problem. You can choose both short, both long, one short, one long, depending on your vehicle's plate location area. So after clicking next, you can see on the top there will be a address selection. You have to select your address, and then you have to see the payment and review request, and you have to finalize it. I am not going to do this because this is the video just to show you. Here, if you want to add logo, you have to click on that and make sure you have earlier uh, uh, payment was regarding this with the logo, which is 800 reals. So you have to choose the number of plates, two or one, as per your previous payment, and the plate size you have to choose depending on your car number plate placing area, and you have to select yes, I want to add logo. And the logo design, you can choose anyone, and the price is same 800 real for any of the design. And after clicking next, you have to complete address selection and review the payment and your request, then click next, and that's it. بعدين التالي تعال هنا اختيار العنوان، وبعدين أطفال مراجع الطلب، وهذه صفحة إضافة شعار، وبعدين كل شيء تالي اختيار العنوان، أطفال مراجع الطلب، وبعدين خلاص. After the successful submission of the request within a week, the local courier service will come to your provided address and will give you the new number plates and will ask you to please give me the old number plates. Then you have to remove the old number plates from your vehicle and give it to him, and then you can take the new number plates. If you have the tools to fix the number plate on your vehicle, that's fine. If you don't have, in that case, uh, put the new number plates in front of the dashboard, and you can go to the nearby vehicle maintenance shop where they can fix it for you. Please comment from which city you are watching the video. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the video.